Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change RAM 1500 fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your replacement fog light bulbs. Always ensure your truck is completely off and cooled down before starting any work. For safety, park on a level surface and firmly engage the parking brake. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, we'll access the fog light. Begin by turning your front wheels fully to the side you are working on. This provides much better access to the wheel well. Carefully remove the necessary screws from the fender liner, allowing you to gently pull it back. This reveals the fog light assembly, typically located directly behind the bumper. Take your time to avoid damaging the liner. Now let's replace the bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old fog light bulb. It usually has a small tab you press. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it, twisting clockwise until it's securely seated. This ensures a proper connection. Finally, it's time to test and reassemble. Before putting everything back, turn on your RAM 1500 and activate the fog lights to ensure the new bulb illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the fender liner back into place and secure all the screws you removed earlier. If you're replacing both fog lights, simply repeat these steps for the other side. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.